The BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss about how we can improve the AI response accuracy or the AI agent response accuracy. So let's get started. Let's understand how the AI response work, what we need to do, what are some common things that we need to keep in mind while using the AI in our chat flow. So first thing is that a lot of people think that the AI automatically knows everything perfectly, but the quality of responses mainly depend upon three things. The first is the instructions you provide. Second is the data you train on it and the way the flow is designed. So here are the best practices to improve the AI accuracy. First is write the clear instructions. Like you need to write the clear instructions, what the chatbot is in the custom instructions. If you are referring to, do not write like you are a support bot. Instead of this, write like you are a customer support assistant for an e-commerce clothing brand. Only answer question related to product shipping, return and payment. Keep response short and professional. The more specific your instructions are, the better the AI response. Next is the training. So training the AI is the most important thing. Add the website links here. If you are updating the website link, make sure to retrain the website links over here as well, and also add the proper FAQs, clear documentation and clean articles so that it doesn't contradict any statement. The AI should understand the documentation that you are uploading in a simplest manner. Next thing that you can use is for example, some category wise training and some frequently asked question that the customers ask you. Make a separate file of it and train it to the AI. Last thing that you can check from your side is the models. So if you are using the free AI messages of the platform, make sure you have a sufficient balance of it. In case if this is expired, you need to take an add-on from us. And in case if you are using the chatbot and you are using your own LLM provider, so make sure in the third party integration the ChatGPT is connected. And if the ChatGPT is connected, which model you are using of the ChatGPT, you need to choose that. For example, 5.1 works better in case of ChatGPT. And every provider have its own best model. So based upon which works better for you, you can check that. So see, these are some common things that can help you to increase the response time of your AI agent and the AI responses. So just try this once, and in case if you still face an issue, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.